Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you about the dual apps or the clone apps in your device Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro and X4 Pro 5G. Before starting the video, if you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If you want to download a dual app like a clone app, you already have one app in your device but you want to download the same another app, you can do this by the method as I am showing in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can download a dual app or a clone app in your device. Let's watch the video.